Hello friends, happy weekend. Look at that kitchen. Look at it. You clicked on the video, you already know what this is about. We redid our kitchen and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It looks great. Yeah, it's been like 3 weeks now that we've had it like this. I was gonna post it then, okay? I don't know if you can tell, we got really sick and I've been like hacking up a log for the last 3 weeks. So finally at a point now where I think I can record a little intro without having to cough a lot. So that's what I'm doing. But anyway, we redid our kitchen. I got it done professionally because I watched a lot of YouTube. I watched a lot of TikTok. And what I've learned is that you can paint your cabinets yourself, but it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take forever and a day, and you've got to go out and buy all these supplies. There's a lot of prep work. There's a lot of patience involved. I didn't have that, so I paid someone. I paid $2,600 and it's beautiful. It's amazing. But there are still some things that we learned along the way that I wasn't really expecting. So here's what we learned. Here's our process. I'll show you kind of like the start and finish and then like sprinkle in the here's what not to do. So yeah, I hope you like it. I've got to decorate still, okay? I've got to decorate. But I decided that will be a separate video because again, I just gotta get this done and posted, okay? It's been like 3 weeks now. So yeah, here's our kitchen. Hope you like it. I hope you learned something, more importantly. So this is what our kitchen looked like before we painted the cabinets. It's very dark. It is practically black. I think that the dark cabinets can look good. But in our kitchen, it's like tucked off in a corner to where it was just like this black, it just sucked the life out of the room. It felt like, I'm a very like light and bright kind of person, so it wasn't working.
Okay, so first things first, we need to pick out the paint color. And so literally I decided to execute on the kitchen cabinets today. I got a couple quotes. There's one guy who's supposed to come out tomorrow to do the last quote and whatnot. But I've got to pick out my color because what I've learned is that they're ready to go. They're like, let's paint, girl. So I need a color because the thing with me is that when I get in the zone with something, it has to get completed or done or scheduled or whatever right then and there, or else I'm gonna lose my steam with it and it's not gonna happen. So I'm in the mood to pick a color, which is like, you've got to be in the right mood, but I think I am. So here we go. This weekend, decisions are being made. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I've put up some samples. I don't think I'll be able to ever show them right on video, but whatever. You'll get to see what we're working with. Don't mind my hair. I just washed it and I let it air dry normally. So yeah, here's what we're looking at. Okay, so it's been about 24 hours since I've been looking at those paint colors. And when you hold up colors next to my walls, which are pretty light, they just blend in with the walls. So I can either go lighter or darker. Going lighter is going white. Like this one up here. And I just never thought that I would have cabinets that are that light. Like, I never wanted that. I'm not a fan. I'm not happy about it. It'll sell well when we go to sell the house. What I really want is kind of this color. It's more of like a very pretty, warm, light brown color, medium brown color maybe. But as you can see, it clashes with my backsplash, which isn't impossible. Like, I could paint it, I could replace it. It's not the end of the world. but it kind of is the end of the world because I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to paint my backsplash. I don't want to get new backsplash. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I just want lighter cabinets. I just want to get rid of the black cabinets. That's it. So I'm thinking of just doing the white. I have little handles that are coming in. And so we'll see which ones tie the best with the colors. I'm thinking of just doing white. It's not white, like it is an off-white, but it's way more white than I ever thought that I would do. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know what you think. I might take it into consideration, I might not. The green, I fully thought about the green. And then I saw this TikTok and was like, not with my cabinets. It's gotta be white cabinets. Here are the TikToks I found.
All right, so it is day 2 of painting the kitchen cabinets, and I've already learned 2 things. Thing number 1, do not get your cabinets painted whenever it's like raining outside, when it's raining wet and cold, because the paint won't dry as quickly because the air is more humid. I don't know, sciencey stuff with paint drying. So they were supposed to come this morning to put the first coat on the cabinets because the primer is drying right now. But they didn't come, and they're hopefully coming at 3 because they're like, the paint's not dry yet. There's no way. So there's that. So this might take longer because I'm literally waiting for paint to dry. Great. Thing number 2, you're supposed to clear everything out of your drawers. I was not aware of this, and so they just dumped everything out, which, like, rightfully so, right? Yeah, pro tip, clean out your drawers. I thought that they were just gonna, I don't know. Oh, there's a third thing. Okay, the third thing is that I thought that they would just kind of like lightly cover up the microwave and the fridge. That's my fridge, by the way. So like I could still kind of get to them if you really wanted to. You can't. There is no getting to them. And then our garage is right there. That tape is from me breaking into my own garage. Last night we had to leave for whatever reason, and I guess we were going over to my parents' house, and so we had to leave. And so the garage door, the button for it is like right behind that door. And so we were like, well, we don't want to rip the tape too much or rip the plastic too much. And so I like ripped a hole, like weirdly snuck my hand through, and with like a spatula, I got it. We finally opened up the garage door because the clicker was in the car because we're geniuses, obviously. But yeah, here's what the primer looks like. One thing that always annoyed the crap out of me about these cabinets was that this side was like a dark brown, but underneath was still like the raw wood, and now they're gonna be the same color, and I am so excited.
Okay, so it's now day 4, but also kind of day 6. It's been 6 days since they took the doors. They said that it's been taking them a really long time to dry because of all of the rain that we've had this week, which I think would make sense. And then yesterday they did the second coat of paint. So I'm here with my pulleys that I wanted to use, and I'm gonna see if they look good. I am gonna look though to see if I like the handles that I picked out, and I think I do. I think I like it. I think I like the vibe. I like how it pops. I still love the color of them. However, I was going to have them on the drawers, which come all the way down here too, and have them on the doors as well. Now I'm thinking that might be a little bit too much. So I think that today I'm just gonna have them go on the drawers, and then we'll see what we want to do for the doors. Maybe we just do like the single knobs. I don't want it to be too much. Okay, don't judge. I have a crazy head cold. My kiddo is up coughing all night, and I meant to wash my hair and it just didn't happen today. And now I'm in the Chick-fil-A line because I don't have a kitchen, and it's been like 4 days of not having a kitchen, and I wasn't prepared for this. So we're kind of just living life right now. But I had the idea just now actually that maybe for the top set of cabinet doors, I could do like something cute and kind of quirky. And so I saw these and was like, I kind of want to do it. Like I feel like I need something cute and quirky. I don't know why I think that these are cute and quirky, but they are. I feel like I've got to have it now. So that's where I'm at right now. I don't know if I'll do them for the top doors and the bottom doors. I don't know yet, but this is what I'm thinking now. All right, hello friends, we're back in the kitchen. Okay, so the guy is coming tomorrow to install the knobs. Yeah. I could do it. Yes. I don't want to do it. So they're going to do it. I had an idea to put these all over the lower handles and the lower doors, which I love. I'll show you in a second. And then putting these guys on the top doors. And it looks super, super good. My mom came over yesterday and we tied it all out, and it looks really good. So here's what it is.